guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing my Sephora VIB sale haul, and I didn't pick up as much as I usually do just because I work at Ulta now and I get a better discount over there for most items. But in this haul, I only bought stuff that you could only get at Sephora for this sale just because I obviously can't get them at work, and I do work at Ulta if you didn't know. I'm also going to be showing you guys some gratis that I got from work that's only at Ulta, but I'll show that at the end of the video in case you only want to see the Sephora things. But even if you don't work at Ulta, I feel like you should still buy there over Sephora just because the rewards program is way better. Instead of getting little samples for your points, you actually get money, and that you can use on any of your purchases, which I think is awesome. So if you like build up your points, you'll have like lots of money to spend on your purchases, and you could even go like on a shopping spree with your points if you wanted to. Also, they're always sending out a 20% off coupon, I feel like, and that's way better than 15%. I feel like 15% is nothing, and that's what the spring sale was for the VIB sale, is only 15% off. But the Sephora VIB sale is over right now when you're watching this, and I'm so sorry that I'm getting it up a little bit later, but I went ahead and got stuff like last minute. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the haul. Now, I didn't get the little VIB gift that you usually would get. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I went really late and it was like the end of the sale, so they probably didn't have any more. But a lot of people got like a card holder with some samples, which was really cool. But I didn't get it, but no hard feelings, Sephora, no hard feelings. So the first thing I picked up, I've really been wanting this for forever. It just looks so unique. So this is the Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb, and I've been seeing this on YouTube lately. Not a lot of people have talked about it, but some people have, and I was interested ever since I saw it. So we do carry Origins at Ulta, but we don't have any of the makeup products, so that's why I got it at Sephora, so I could save a little bit of money. But this is what it looks like. So it's an aerosol can, and basically it's supposed to be a pore refining primer, but it shoots out like a foam. Oh my god. Okay, so nothing but water is coming out. Hold on, let me shake it. I really like the fact that it's supposed to be cold, just because colder products, or just like if you were to put ice on your skin, make your pores like tighten up, so it makes them look smaller. And oh my gosh, it feels so nice, and a little bit goes a very, very long way. I'm so excited about this. I don't know, it's just something different because we get bored of our products, like using the same things over and over, and I feel like this is something unique that I haven't ever like seen before. And when I did see that this came out, I was actually searching around in Ulta trying to find like a similar product, and the closest thing that I found there was from the brand Philosophy, and they have this like big container, and it looks exactly like this. I even think it's the same color, it's pink, but it's for the body, and it's like a fragranced kind of moisturizer for the body, and it foams up and it feels very cooling on the skin as well. And I feel like I want to get that just because I love the feeling of this. Like, it feels so foamy and like cooling, and I just like the way it feels. I'm always using that at work, and it does smell really good. So if you guys want something like this but for your body, check out the Purity one. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this out. Let me know if you guys want like a first impression over it, or if you just want me to use it in a future video. Okay, next up was a repurchase for skincare. So this is a Sunday Riley UFO Acne Treatment Face Oil, and I use this all the time. I think I've repurchased it like 4 times already, and I really, really love this oil. And I can't find anything that's similar to this product. I feel like it's very unique. It has like tea tree oil in it, licorice root. It just has like really good ingredients for acne prone skin, and it really helps tighten the pores, and I just love this product. And if you want to see it in action, I do have a skincare video on my channel, and it's pretty much the same. I feel like the only skincare routine that has changed is my morning skincare routine. Let me know if you guys would like to see an update for that one. But as for my night routine, it stayed pretty much the same, and so I will have that in the cards right here if you do want to see it in action. But I did buy the $40 one, which is the smaller size. It's the 15 milliliter, which looks like this. And the reason I got the $40 one, which is the smaller one, is because I feel like a little bit goes a long way, and by the time I finish it, the other VIB sale will be around, and that one is 20%, the one that's in the fall. And so I'll just wait till then to get the bigger one, just because, like I said, 15% off is not that much. But I love this. It's super strong smelling though. I could smell it, and I haven't even opened it yet, but it's a green oil, and I love the way it feels on my skin. It doesn't make me oily, which I like because I do have oily combo skin. And so I don't like really greasy, heavy oils, and this one is just amazing. So I had to repurchase it because it is a pricey item and I was out. Oh my gosh, guys. And the next thing I'm super excited about. I've been wanting this for forever, but it has been sold out for the longest time at like every Sephora that I've tried to get it at. So this is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions Mini Palette. That's what it looks like. So everybody's getting like the warm neutral one or the mauve one, and of course I go for the bright colorful one that nobody wants, but I've been wanting this for forever. I just see so many looks in my head right now that I could do with this little palette, and so if you guys want some tutorials, let me know. But I want to tell you guys a little bit of a story before I open this. So do you guys ever get so like antsy about your products that you buy and you're like very overprotective? I feel like that's how I am with makeup. So I literally checked this palette in the store to make sure it wasn't broke, and it was totally fine. And then I checked it once I got in the car again just to make sure it didn't break on the way to my car, which I know is crazy. And then I checked it a third time when I got home to make sure it was okay once again, which it probably was, right? And as soon as I open it to check it for the third time, my nail just digs right into it. I literally wanted to cry. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't want to cry, but I was super sad because I was literally checking it so much that it made me mess up my palette. Like, has that ever happened to you guys where you're just so overprotective of something that you end up messing it up? It's kind of like when you get brand new shoes and you don't want nobody to step on them, and then right away someone steps on them. That's how I feel like I am with makeup. But anyways, so I did dig my nail into the red one. So you just have to be super careful when you open this palette, because if not, because it's like magnetic. But this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I was telling Christian that it looks like the color theme of the Nightmare Before Christmas, the bride, like her dress and everything. I feel like it's giving me those kind of vibes, but it just looks so beautiful. I really want to do a tutorial using this beautiful blue teal and this bright yellow. I think that would look so pretty together, and I don't have something like this in my collection. That like teal color is very unique, and so that kind of like justified me buying this palette, because I do have like a lot of pink colors and red colors, but I don't have anything like that teal in there, and so I really wanted it. Now NYX does have a palette very similar to this, but I think it's more on the rainbowy side, where it has like all the colors of the rainbow, and it's like a square packaging as well. I think it's actually a little bit bigger than this one, but it retails for like $22. So this one is like $27, and I got my 15% off. And so I was like, I'd rather just get the high-end one and see if I actually like it. And so I'm so excited about this. So let me know if you guys want some tutorials, but I went ahead and picked that up. Oh my gosh, and I do want to know what you guys picked up since the sale is over. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up, because I'm just so curious. I've been like on a roll of watching nothing but Sephora VIB sale hauls, even though it's over, and it kind of like makes you want to buy more stuff even though the sale's over, but I still am binge watching them. And so let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up. Okay guys, and the last thing that I picked up from Sephora is a repurchase, and oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this product for so long. This is the Ole Hendrickson Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer, and I finally bit the bullet and got the jumbo size. They have 3 sizes. They have like a smaller one, the actual regular size, and then this one, which is the jumbo. And I go through this stuff like crazy. I feel like it's in every empties video that I've done so far, and I love this moisturizer. I can't find anything like it. Being that I do work at Ulta, I feel like we do get a lot of moisturizers to test out, but nothing comes close to this moisturizer, so I thought I'd just pick it up during the sale. And look how big this is. I'm so excited to have this jumbo size. I love this. I feel like it actually changes my skin and like does something for the texture and the dark spots and scars and whatnot, but it's not too greasy or heavy. And I could wear this night and day. I don't have to like pick oh, I can only wear it in the morning, or oh, I can only wear it at night because it's too heavy. It's like right in the middle to where I could wear it anytime I wanted. I do have a full review over this moisturizer on my channel because that's how crazy I am about this product. And I do feel like this brand is vegan. I don't know if you're a vegan, but I'm not, but just saying, if you're a vegan and you want a good moisturizer, this one's vegan. And so yeah, I just picked up the jumbo size and I'm so freaking excited to have this back in my life. I love it so much. I feel like I really want to try out some more Ole Hendrickson products just because everything I've tried from them so far is really, really good. Like, I also really like their toner, the oil-free balance control toner. I think that's what it's called. I should have really picked that up. Today is the next day after the sale and I feel like I missed out on so many things and I'm regretting not buying some stuff. But yeah, I went ahead and picked that up. And so yeah, that is everything that I picked up for the Sephora VIB sale this year. I know it's nothing crazy, but I have been doing a lot of hauls lately on my channel from Ulta, so I didn't want to go too crazy at Sephora. But now I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the gratis that I got this week. It's nothing big or anything, so I thought I would just throw it into this haul, being since I didn't get that much stuff at Sephora. But I did get this Pure Minerals 4-in-1 pressed mineral makeup with broad spectrum SPF 15. Oh, I had no idea it had SPF in there. That's cool. So this is a powder foundation. And I got really interested in this because a lot of people, when they are looking for a powder foundation, just regular customers, when they come into the store, they always go straight to this one. And everybody I've talked to about this powder really, really likes it. So I really wanted to try it out. And so when I was like picking from the gratis box, I went ahead and picked this up. So this is in the color Light Clear. Now, being that it was in the gratis box, I really didn't get to pick the shade. They only had a couple shades in there and I felt like the other ones would have been too dark. So I just went ahead and got the light one, and I could always just bronze up if it's a little bit too light. But this is what the packaging looks like, and this is the powder. What do you guys think? Do you think this color will match me, or will it be too light? Hopefully it'll match me. But yeah, I've been really wanting to try powder foundations just because I'm more of a like liquid full coverage girl. But summer is coming up and I feel like I just want something that would be really quick to wear like on a summer day, just throw some powder on and nothing else. So I really wanted to try this out. Let me know if you guys would like a review over it maybe. I don't know if you guys would like powder foundations reviews or if you're into that, so let me know. So I did get another thing from Pure. This is the Chrome Glaze High Shine Lip Gloss. And I got it in the color Smarty Pants, which looks like it's going to be a nude. So let's go ahead and open this. Yeah, it's a really pretty color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is really, really pigmented. So it's more of like a peachy corally color. It kind of reminds me of those liquid lipsticks that are shiny, kind of like a really pigmented gloss. But that is what the color looks like. Super pretty. I think that's a really nice color for spring and summer. Okay guys, and I got another thing from Pop Sugar. I know I showed you some Pop Sugar in my last gratis video. I got a lot of stuff from that brand just because it's really new to Ulta. But I got one more thing. This is the Be Smooth Sugar Lip Scrub, which I'm super excited about. I've never owned a lip scrub, but I have used them like at work when my lips feel dry. Oh, this is so cute. This is what the packaging looks like. So freaking adorable. Okay, so it comes like in a stick. Oh yeah, so it comes in a stick and then you just like roll it up, and I guess you could rub it on your lips or take some with your finger and just exfoliate your lips. So I'm so excited to try this. Everything I've tried so far from this brand has not been disappointing. So if you guys want a review over the brand, let me know. I feel like I'm asking you guys if you want videos on everything because I'm super excited about everything, but I also want to make videos that you guys actually want to see. And so yeah, that is everything that's going to be in this haul. I'm super excited about this eyeshadow palette, guys. Oh, I didn't even swatch it for you guys. How rude. Let me go ahead and swatch some colors in here. So I'll go ahead and swatch some mattes and also some of the shimmer colors. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so excited for this. Do you guys see that pigment? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. They go on so freaking buttery. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm using this in my next tutorial. I'm sorry guys, I have to. Do you guys see these colors? They're so bomb. Do you see that blue? Oh my god! I'm so excited. I'm so glad I swatched that for you guys. I'm so sorry I didn't before. How rude of me. So yeah, that's gonna be everything for this video, guys. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up so I can know to keep doing these videos for you guys. Also, if you have any questions about any of these products, leave it in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so 3 times a week for you guys. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!